Hi sir, good day. I am Rose Angeline Arias and I'm 18 years old from Namunga, Rosario, Batangas. I am currently studying at Lipas City Public College, taking up the course of Ladderite Education Program for BSCS, accredited by TESDA. I have heard from Ms. Ronalyn Banaag, who's working on your company, that you are in need a data encoder. Please consider me as an applicant for the position. I can type 30 words per minute. I am hardworking and honest. I am patient and willing to be trained very well. I have the knowledge in making Microsoft PowerPoint, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, and I have also the knowledge in using internet. I can be the asset of your company. As you have read in my resume, you can see the other details and more information about me. Thank you.